Indian Space Research Organization has come a long way since its formation. From carrying rocket parts on bicycle to aiming for Mars within 6 decades, ISRO has much to celebrate when it comes to space achievements. By successfully demonstrating its unique and cost-effective technologies, ISRO has gained place among the elite space agencies in the world over the years. And the difference between success and failure is a great team. The Team Excellence Award recognizes teams that embrace the spirit of collaboration and demonstrate exemplary teamwork for the success of ISRO's various missions and programs. This is also an opportunity to celebrate our team's hard work, collaboration, creativity, and success.
Respected dignitaries, award winners, ladies and gentlemen, good morning to one and all, and a warm welcome to the distribution of ISRO Team Excellence Awards 2018. The Team Excellence Awards for the year 2018 were handed over to the team leaders in the virtual presence of Chairman ISRO and other dignitaries in March 2021. Today, we present the awards to the members of these teams. First of all, may I invite Sri Sudesh K, Head PGA VSSC, to brief about the award scheme and to welcome the gathering. Sir, please.
Respected Director VSSC, Director IASU, Associate Directors, members of ECMC, distinguished professors, guests of honor of the day, the ISRO Team Excellence Award winners, JCM staff side representatives, representative of ADOSIA, heads of administrative and auxiliary divisions, and my dear colleagues, a very good morning to all of you. As you may be aware, ISRO award scheme was first introduced in the year 2007 with an intention of recognizing the specific contributions by individuals and team of members who have created significant impact on the system or the society. The scheme offers 5 types of individual awards and 2 types of team awards for the personnel of ISRO DOS centers and units. The individual awards include Merit Awards, Young Scientist Merit Awards, Performance Excellence Awards, Outstanding Achievement Awards, and Lifetime Achievement Award. There are 2 different categories under Team Excellence Awards depending on the maximum number of members in the group, in the team, namely 50 or 20. The Team Excellence Awards are given to the teams of individuals who have collectively made significant contributions to the successful realization of launch vehicle, spacecraft programs and projects, conceptualization and implementation of space applications program, establishment and commissioning of critical infrastructure and developmental activities in ISRO DOS. The award carries a cash prize and a certificate. It is customary to hand over the ISRO awards to the recipients by Chairman ISRO in a special function organized at the respective centers. However, due to the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic scenario, ISRO Awards 2018 under various categories and ISRO Quality Awards 2019 were distributed in a function held on 24th March this year in the virtual presence of Chairman ISRO and other dignitaries. Due to paucity of time, the Team Excellence Awards were handed over only to the team leaders during the above function. We could not organize this function to distribute the awards to the team members due to the continuing pandemic situation, and our sincere apologies for the delay happened in this regard. Today, Team Excellence Award 2018 will be distributed to 107 members under 8 different teams. One Young Scientist Merit Award will also be distributed to the awardee who could not collect it during the function held in March. My hearty congratulations to all the award winners. Now let me move on to my duty. It's my pleasure to welcome our beloved Director Somnath sir, who has kindly consented to give away the awards immediately when we approached him with a request. Dr. Biju Jacob, our Chief Controller, is the driving force behind all activities of administration, and I welcome him also in his absentia. Let me warmly welcome Director IASU, who is also the team leader of one of the award-winning teams, Associate Directors, VCMC members, distinguished professors, heads of administrative and auxiliary services, JCM staff side members, representative of ADOSIA, and the award winners who have graced this occasion with their presence. I also welcome all those who are unable to participate in this program physically and are witnessing this online now. Congratulations once again to all the award winners. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I invite Sri Somnath as Director VSSC to speak a few words. Sir, please.
Good morning, all of you. I was not aware that there is an agenda for me to speak today. Nobody told me, frankly. Because all the speech required for the award has already been done, and today it was only a distribution award, I thought. But doesn't matter. For any such occasion of recognizing people for their contribution, it is always appropriate to speak a few good words about their work and contribution. Especially today, when we are distributing the awards for all the members of the team, which was left behind in the award function which was held in March this year. First of all, this award is for the team. I think the word team matters most here, especially when we are doing a very complex tasks like realizing satellites of GSAT 11, GSAT 29 HISIS classes. There are contributions from VSSC as well as IASU, as well as for programs of various kinds, and one of them, very important one, which we are being awarding for maximum number of people, is for the development of the advanced inertial navigation system, for which the director IASU itself has played a very, very crucial role. It has become one of the most important development in the recent times in the history of inertial systems, and we are going to use it for, and we have been using it for many, many programs, and it will continue to be miniaturized, made compact and more reliable in the days to come. So we must congratulate the team for making such a wonderful technological growth in that domain. We also had interesting missions like the ATVP, where we did the SOREX mission, where the TME experiment, and also the retarding potential analyzer studies by SPL team and avionics team. Also contribution to the facilities and infrastructures and development of other centers, including the second vehicle assembly building. So these are the team awards which are being distributed today. Let me take this opportunity for the team leaders who are though nominated. I think there are many leaders in any team if you really look at, but I think only one leader is identified to collect the award. But I believe all of them in the team, many, maybe a significantly number of them in the team, are the real leaders that built that system and made it into a reality. I happen to be one of the member of the award selection committee. In fact, I also want to tell you the secret. In fact, award selection is not really to find out who is somebody to be is the best among the lot. I think that question doesn't arise at all in any award selection committee. Really, when we look at all those awards, we find out that many of them are really worth the award. But there is always a limited number. I think the numbers have been limited in terms of the size of the award, because any race or any competition, there can be only one winner, or maybe 1, 2, 3. Beyond that, we cannot declare winner. The 10th winner has no meaning really. So, but doesn't mean that the 10th one is an inferior in any manner. This is well understood. I think all our developments are of that nature. Found it extremely painful and difficult to remove many of them and then select one. I think this has been a painful exercise, and many a time this happens that we need to pay due regard to various centers and various units for their contribution, and in that process many of those done by some other center, though it is meriting attention, meriting recognition, are sidelined. I think this is a process which has to happen. I think this is the only way we can give awards. I think those who are not getting awards this time should not feel sorry for or sad for that aspect. I think we are matured enough to realize this, and of course we have to recognize, declare some awards, and this is one of the very important incentive that Department of Space has been sanctioned by Government of India to give not only the award but also the cash awards, which is a form of incentives for our contributions and work. So let us gracefully accept all these awards. At the same time, congratulating all those who couldn't make it as an awardee this time. and that doesn't make their work and contribution less significant. So take this opportunity to thank each one of you for their wonderful work, though it is very late in this year that we are distributing this award. I believe that you have already got the cash, huh? So there is no worry about that part. So only the certificate and the photograph were only missing. So that part we will make up today. Wish you all the best and thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Now, we move on to the distribution of Team Excellence Awards 2018. May I request Sri Somnath, Director VSSC, to kindly give away the awards to the awardees. From Category 1, Design and Development of ISRO's GSAT-11 new 1 to 6K BESS 610 LOM High Throughput and High Power Communication Satellite URSC under the leadership of Sri Pradeep Kumar Gupta. And the team members are Sri Jayakumar RP, Scientist Engineer SF, IISU. Sri Kalyanaraman R, Scientist Engineer SF, VSSC. And Sri Kumar B, Senior Technician A, VSSC.
Design and realization of GSAT-29 spacecraft and ground segment SAC under the leadership of Srimati Pooja Srivastava. The team members are Srimati Lakshmi Avi, Scientist Engineer SG, IISU. Sri Smijit GB, Scientist Engineer SE, VSSC.
HISIS, India's first dedicated satellite for hyperspectral imaging URSC under the leadership of Sri Nagesh G. And the team members are Srimati Lily KP, Scientist Engineer SF, IISU. And Sri Pankaj Agarwal, Scientist Engineer SF, VSSC. He's not here.
Miniaturized inertial navigation system with indigenous ISRO laser gyroscope and ceramic servo accelerometer, IISU, under the leadership of Dr. Sam Dayaladev D, Director, IISU. The team members are Sri Alban S, Senior Technician B, IASU. Shri Anandaraj N, Senior Technician A, IASU. Srimati Anandavalli S, Scientist Engineer SG, IASU. Srimati Anila V, Scientist Engineer SG, IASU. Srimati Anila is not here. Srimati Anshu Pathak, Scientist Engineer SE, IASU. Shri Arumugam Balaji K, Scientist Engineer SC, IASU. Shri Arun George, Scientist Engineer SF, IASU. Shri Arun is not here. Shri Bhaskaran M, Scientist Engineer G, retired. Shri Benvin Baiju, Scientist Engineer SD, VSSE. Shri Biju V. Gopal, Scientist Engineer SF, IASU. Shri Biju is not here.
Srimati Bindu John, Scientist Engineer SF, IASU. Srimati Bindu R, Scientist Engineer SF, IASU. Srimati Bindu is not here. Shri Chandramouli S, Scientist Engineer G, VSSE. Shri Damodaran M, Project Personal Secretary, VSSE. Shri N.E. Krishna, Scientist Engineer SF, IASU. Srimati Edil T, Scientist Engineer SF, IASU. Shri Giriraj Gupta, Scientist Engineer SF, IASU. Srimati Golden Dorothy Dawn S, Retired Scientist Engineer G. Srimati Jayalakshmi L, Scientist Engineer G, VSSE. Shri Jeba Arul Dos G, Scientist Engineer SF, VSSE.
Srimati Jisha VC, Scientist Engineer SD, IASU. Srimati Jisha is not here. Shri Karthik R, Scientist Engineer SF, IASU. Shri Magesh P. Velayudan, Senior Technician A, IASU. Shri Manikandan M, Scientist Engineer SD, VSSE. Shri Narayanan Kuti Keya, Scientist Engineer G, retired. Shri Narayanan Kutti PB, Scientist Engineer SD, IASU. Shri Paul Pandian S, Scientist Engineer G, IASU. Shri Pramod SS, Scientist Engineer SD, IASU. Shri Raman R, Scientist Engineer SG, retired. Srimati Rashmi Alapat, Scientist Engineer SG, VSSC. Srimati Rashmi is not here.
Shri Reggie PK, Senior Technician A, IISU. Shri Reggie is not here. Shri Ranjit Kirot, Scientist Engineer SG, VSSC. Shri Sajid Srinivasan M, Scientist Engineer SG, VSSC. Srimati Sarida PR, Scientist Engineer SF, IISU. Shri Selvarajan R, Senior Assistant, IISU. Shri Shajimun CD, Technician G, IISU. Shri Shajimun is not here. Shri Simon D, Technical Officer C, IISU. Shri Simon is not here. Shri Sinju Philip, Scientist Engineer SF, IISU. Shri Sinju is not here. Shri Shivashankar T, Scientist Engineer SG, IISU. Shri Shivasubramani S, Scientist Engineer G, IISU.
Srimati Sri Lakshmi I, Scientist Engineer SC, IISU. Shri Sugumaran KD, Senior Technician B, IISU. Shri Suresh Babu P, Senior Technician A, IISU. Shri Suresh Babu S, Technical Officer C, IISU. Shri Tushar Kanti Das, Scientist Engineer SF, IISU. Srimati Usha K, Project Personnel Secretary, IISU. Srimati Usha K, Scientist Engineer G, IISU. Srimati Usha is not here. Shri Vinu Rajakumar C, Scientist Engineer SE, IISU. Shri Vinu is not here. Shri Vishwas MS, Senior Technician A, VSSC.
Realization of second Vehicle Assembly Building, SVAB project SDSC SHAR under the leadership of Shri Veerappa Kumbakarnan, and the team members are Shri Anup CG, Scientist Engineer SF, VSSC. Srimati Kalavati M, Scientist Engineer SF, VSSC. Shri Rajaram V, Scientist Engineer SG VSSC. Shri Rajaram is not here. And Shri Venkatesh SS, Scientist Engineer SF VSSC.
Now, from ISRO Team Excellence Award Category 2, ATVP RH300 Mark II TMA Mission, VSSC, under the leadership of Shri Joy Binoy Joseph, Shri Jai Vishnu KS, Scientist Engineer SE, VSSC. Shri Manoj A, Scientist Engineer SG, VSSC. Shri Maruti SS, Scientist Engineer SE, VSSC. Shri Parameshwaran S, Scientist Engineer SC, VSSC. Shri Priyankar Bandyopadhyay, Scientist Engineer SG, VSSC. Shri Rajendran P, Senior Technical Assistant A, VSSC. Shri Ramachandran K, Technical Officer D, retired. Shri Ramasamy S, Scientist Engineer SD, VSSC. Srimati Reja Raj, Technical Officer C, VSSC. Srimati Reja is not here. Shri Shanavas J, Scientist Engineer SE, VSSC.
Shri Shantanu Mishra, Scientist Engineer SF, VSSC. Shri Shashibhushan Tiwari, Scientist Engineer SG, VSSC. Shri Shibu M, Technician G, VSSC. Shri Shivaprakash A, Technician G, VSSC. Shri Sandeep A.G., Scientist Engineer SF, VSSC. Srimati Suvija S. Wills, Senior Assistant, VSSC. Shri Tarun Kumar Pant, Scientist Engineer SG, VSSC. Shri Thomas Varghese, Retired Scientist Engineer G. And Shri Vikram T, Scientist Engineer SF, VSSC.
Advanced Retarding Potential Analyzer for Ionospheric Studies at IIST under the leadership of Shri Umesh R. Kathane. The team members are Shri Amarnath Nandi, Scientist Engineer SG, VSSC. Shri Bhaskaran M, Scientist Engineer G, retired. Shri Bhaskaran is not here. No, sorry, he's here. Shri Joji J. Chaman, Scientist Engineer G, IASU. Shri Joji is not here. Srimati Mary Roy, Scientist Engineer G, VSSE. Srimati Maya P, Scientist Engineer SE, VSSE. Shri Pradeep K, Scientist Engineer SG, IASU. Shri Pramod M, Senior Technician A, IASU. Shri Praveen Kumar, Technician F, IASU. Dr. Rennie George, Scientist Engineer G, retired. Dr. Rennie is not here. Shri Sedunath R, Scientist Engineer SG, VSSE. Shri Shanavas AH, Scientist Engineer G, VSSE. Shri Shanavas is not here. And Shri Suresh Babu S, Technical Officer C, IASU. Shri Suresh is not here. Shri Suresh is here to receive the award.
Next team is Crew Escape System Pad Abort Test VSSE under the leadership of Shri Unnikrishnan Nayaras, and the team members are Shri Anand K, Scientist Engineer G, VSSE. Shri Bhagavati Appanar, Scientist Engineer G, VSSE. Shri Bhagavati Appan is not here. Srimati Divya CG, Personal Assistant, VSSE. Shri Gobi Krishnan, Scientist Engineer SF, VSSE. Shri Harish CS, Scientist Engineer G, VSSE. Shri Mohana Kumar S, Scientist Engineer G, VSSE. Shri Nishant Singh, Scientist Engineer SC, VSSE. Srimati Demya S, Scientist Engineer SF, VSSE.
Srimati Reshmi Jaya, Project Personal Secretary, VSSE. Shri Sandeep PS, Senior Assistant, VSSE. Shri Sijimon TP, Scientist Engineer SC, VSSE. Shri Sri Kumar PK, Scientist Engineer G, VSSE. Shri Sunil P, Scientist Engineer G, VSSE. Shri Suresh K, Scientist Engineer G, VSSE. Shri Vinod SS, Scientist Engineer G, VSSE. And Shri Vipin GP, Scientist Engineer SF, VSSE.
There is one more award to be given today, Young Scientist Merit Award in recognition of innovative contributions to the Indian space program is awarded to Shri Angul Nagpal, Scientist Engineer SF, VSSE.
Thank you, sir.
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് പങ്കജ്
Shri Pankaj Agarwal, Scientist Engineer SF VSSC, is here to receive the award. Thank you, sir. With this, we come to the conclusion of award distribution. Congratulations and a big round of applause to all the award winners. May I now invite Srimati Ranjini B. Nair, Senior Administrative Officer GAD, to propose the vote of thanks.
Respected Director VSSC, Director IASU, Director SPL, all VCMC members, all other dignitaries, JCM leaders, representatives of ADOSIA, and my dear friends, a warm good morning to one and all. Before coming to the duty entrusted with me, let me congratulate all the award winners for their hard work and contribution leading to the receiving of this award. Congratulations to one and all. Now coming on to my duties. I first of all thank our beloved Director Somnath sir for amidst his busy schedule consenting to grace this occasion and to hand away the awards, and for your esteemed presence. Thank you very much, sir. I thank our Chief Controller for being the support for us for organizing this function. Thank you very much, sir. I would like to thank all the dignitaries who are present here to grace this occasion. I thank you all on behalf of myself and my team. And thanks to all the JCM leaders and the representatives of ADOSIA for being here to grace this occasion. I would like to thank our head PJ, who was a guide and being for our leader to organize this function in this graceful manner. Thank you very much, sir. I thank on behalf of myself and my team members, I would thank all the supporting team, namely photography, network and audiovisual team of MSA, NTSG, canteen, CMG, library, transport, and all others whom I have left out to mention. Thank you all. Last but not the least, I thank my team for the great support extended in organizing this function. Thank you all.
Thank you all once again. This is
Gayatri.
and Parvati signing off. All are requested to join for the high tea arranged at the foyer.
Thank you all once again.